This video is best viewed on a mobile device, so I'm going to show you how to do this dance step by step. So the first thing you do is the whoa. So boom, that's the first whoa. After you do that, then there's a second whoa, but you gotta wait. So then boom, there's the second whoa. I'm a horrible instructor. After you do that, you have to punch 4 times. So you're gonna see, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to give another whoa, and then you're going to cross your arms. And when you cross your arms, you have to be ready to put your hands over your face, and then boom, that's when you put your hands over your face, and then you do the wiggle 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 with the hands. And then after that, then you're gonna go ta ta-da ta-da ta-da. I do it differently, but I do it like ta ta-da, and then I do like a Dougie type of move here. So this is how you do the dance I just did. Here's the dance without the music because of copyright.